Kranji Farm. Let's go. Our starting point is the Lim Chu Kang jetty. We will travel along the Lim Chu Kang road. It will pass the cemeteries on the left and Tengah Air Base on the right. The scenery slowly changes from urban to countryside. Built before the 1900s, Lim Chu Kang Road has a straight segment that runs for about 2.6 km and acts as an alternative runway. It can be converted from a highway to an airstrip. At the Lim Chu Kang jetty, and this is our starting point. No filming is allowed in there, and we cannot go in. It's private property, so we are going to start off from here. This is how it looks like before it was closed to the public. It's the last wooden jetty in Singapore. Cycle to our first stop, the Kranji World War II first landing site. Landed here so that they can attack the Kranji village area to connect to the causeway and to attack the Tengah Air Base. This path behind me will lead to the Kashin house, but sadly we can't go in now because now is state land. There's a label here that says no trespassing, so we cannot go in and see the Kashin house. The Kashin house is built upon a pier. It was in use till 2009. The house on the pier will be restored and become a new visitor gateway to the western part of Sungai Buloh Wetland Reserve. Destination, Dairies, we stopped by Veggies Dairy Farm. We did not go in, but we saw some cows from the roadside. We are at Dairies, and they sell the goat milk, fresh goat milk, and come in two flavors. One is original and one is chocolate. Goat milk is a wholesome, natural, and highly nutritious beverage. I read that it's good for those who are lactose intolerant. So It's a must try for when you are at the Hay Dairy Farm. Hay Dairies, not only can you get a taste of goat milk, you can also observe the milking process if you come in the morning. You can also feed the kids. Hay Dairies was the result of pig farming phasing out and switching to goat farming with the help of AVA. And don't worry, they don't slaughter goats. We continue our journey to the frog farm. You can try to catch a frog here, bring some tadpoles home, try some frog meat, crocodile nuggets. So we are at the frog farm, and the frog farm, we sell this premium snowdrop dried longan fruit hashima. So hashima is actually from the frog. So we bought one. They have two flavors. One is pandan, and we are going to try the longan today. Our way to Bollywood Veggies for lunch. It was started in 2000 and now has a culinary school and a museum. The farm is run with no pesticides or fertilizers, making it a planet-friendly operation. The food they serve in Poison Ivy Bistro is from their farm, so you get to enjoy the freshest food. There is a shop that sells all the produce from their farm and neighboring farms. Don't miss out on the banana bread, which Bollywood Veggies is famous for.